All right, YouTube, quick video here. We're going to air fry some chicken thighs. These are not frozen, but they do have a bone in them still. And first thing we're going to do is olive oil. Just going to put enough in the bowl here to kind of coat them. And put a lid on and just shake it up so it does get coated. And then season it however you want. I'm going to go with, I guess, Creole seasoning. And maybe some garlic powder, because why not? But I said do whatever you want. Seasoning doesn't really matter. It's more just a time temperature thing. And shake it up some more. And maybe season it up some more. Make sure we get seasoning all over everything here. All right, and we'll give it one more shake here. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and just preheat the air fryer to 380 for 5 minutes. So I'm going to jump on the app here. And so just turn it on. Now, if you want to check out this air fryer too, I'll drop a link in the description here, so you can actually can check out this ProScenic air fryer if it's something you're interested in. You click the link; it helps the channel. So we got it going for 5 minutes here at 380 to preheat it. As soon as that's done, we'll put the chicken in there. All right, just like that, we're preheated, and so we're going to go ahead and just place the chicken in the basket, and we're going to do that actually skin side down. And then we're going to cook it for 12 minutes at 380. Let me jump back on the app here. All right, so pull up our air fryer, turn it on. $380 for 12 minutes. And so we'll check back in at 12 minutes and we'll flip them over. All right, there's our 12 minutes up here. We're going to go ahead and flip them over. And then we're going to actually go ahead and cook them another 10 minutes. All right, and I left my phone in the other room, so we're going to do this old school here and actually just use the machine. Go to 380. $10 minutes, push play, and we'll check back in here in 10 minutes and I'll show you what we got. All right, so our 10 minutes is up. So go ahead and pull one out here. And I'll cut into it, check out what we got here. So the air fryer is great for things like this. Maybe not so much for steak, but it is good for chicken. So, I don't know if you can hear how crispy the skin is. And it's cooked pretty much perfect here. You know, it's still nice and juicy, but not overcooked or anything. So that's pretty much it here. It's a real fast, easy air fried chicken thighs. And like I said, if you want to check out this particular air fryer, the link's going to be in the description. This is my second or I think actually my third air fryer, and this one's by far the favorite one I've owned so far. And I know the app seems kind of stupid, but I use it all the time. Anyway, all I got for this one, guys. I'm ready to eat. We'll talk to everybody later.